If you've ever wanted to share your ideas, services, or affiliate products on YouTube but felt limited by pricey software or tricky editing tools, there's good news. With CapCut, you can make professional-looking videos completely free and upload them to your YouTube channel to start growing your traffic, visibility, and income. Free CapCut Video Maker review below and how to use it. This guide walks you through how CapCut works, why it's perfect for beginners and seniors, and how you can use it to advertise on YouTube without spending a single dollar. How to use the free CapCut Video Maker to advertise on YouTube at no cost. What is CapCut? CapCut is a free video editing app available on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and even in your browser. It's owned by the same company behind TikTok, which means it's designed to be simple, fast, and friendly for people who have never edited a video before. Why free CapCut Video Maker is perfect for beginners, completely free, no watermarked. No hidden fees, drag and drop editing, built-in templates for ads, intros, slideshows, and tutorials, free stock videos. Music, sound effects, and text animations. Auto captions, great for accessibility and engagement. Works on any device. You don't need a fancy camera, microphone, or editing skills. If you can drag a clip onto a timeline, you can make a video. How to use free CapCut Video Maker. Here's a simple workflow anyone can follow. 1. Start a new project. Open CapCut, gives click, new project, gives import your clips, photos, or screen recordings. If you don't have footage, CapCut provides free stock videos, free background music, free templates for talking head videos, slideshows, and ads too. Add text and captions. CapCut's auto caption tool turns your voice into subtitles instantly. This boosts watch time and makes your videos look professional. 3. Add music and sound effects. CapCut includes a large library of copyright-free music you can safely use on YouTube. 4. Use templates for fast results. Templates are perfect for product reviews, motivational videos, tutorials. Affiliate promotions, slideshows, shorts, and reels. You can create a polished video in minutes. 5. Export your video. Click Export. Choose 1080p and save it to your device. Still 100% free. How to advertise for free on YouTube using CapCut videos. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and uploading videos, even simple ones, can put your message in front of millions of potential viewers. With the free CapCut Video Maker, you can easily create content and turn those videos into powerful, cost-free advertising. 1. Create free CapCut Video Maker that answer questions. People search for how to fix, how to cook, how to save money. Best tools for top 5 ways to make short videos that solve problems. At the end, mention your website, affiliate link, or offer. 2. Use YouTube Shorts for fast traffic. CapCut is perfect for shorts because it has vertical templates, auto captions, trendy transitions, built-in effects. Shorts can get thousands of views even on brand new channels. 3. Add your links in the description. You can promote affiliate products, your blog, your email list, your services, your digital downloads. Every video becomes a free advertisement. 4. Upload consistently. You don't need long videos. Even 15 to 30-second clips made in CapCut can grow your channel. Consistency beats perfection. 5. Repurpose your videos. One CapCut video can be uploaded to YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. This multiplies your reach without extra work. Why the free CapCut Video Maker works, even if you're a beginner or senior. You don't need a budget, a studio, a camera editing experience. CapCut removes the technical barriers. YouTube removes the cost barriers. Together, they give you a free advertising system that works 24/7. If you're promoting affiliate products, your blog, or your YouTube channel itself, free CapCut Video Maker the easiest way to start building traffic and income. Final thoughts. Free CapCut Video Maker CapCut Plus. YouTube is one of the most powerful free marketing combinations available today. With zero investment, you can create professional videos, upload them to your free YouTube channel, and start attracting viewers, subscribers, and potential income. You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need to start. Free CapCut Video Maker.